There's this type of calculators which has been recently common in the market. fx-72 this one, and most people have been complaining that they are fake. They just stop working after a short time. So let us see how you can quickly repair it by yourself. You don't need a technician actually. So I've already removed the screws. Let us get inside. There goes our screws. So in here, this is our cell. As you can see, the calculator is not working if you try to push it on. So let's do this. Start by checking if the cell has any, if it is not dead. Okay, so go there to voltage, try and measure, and we see. So these are our positive, negative. So just add, say, let's see. Then there is a problem with some connection somewhere. It is not reading. Let's just get it out. See how it works. Here it is. So we are going to measure the positive. See if it is the positive and the negative. I don't know what is wrong with the multimeter. Yes, it has 3 volts, so it is okay. The dry side is okay, so it means that there is a problem with some loose connection somewhere. So the first thing we are going to try, we'll try and rub this inner part, the calculator, because of maybe some little oxidation, and see if it will work. So let us put back our dry cell and see. It's still not working. So it means there's a problem with connection somewhere. Maybe we can just do our test, see what is the problem. Good. So we can start with here. This is our positive wire. From here, it's not connecting. About the negative one, this lower part. Seems like there's a problem. That one is okay. So the positive terminal is the one with a problem. As you can see, it is not connected. So it means there is a small gap in the circuit right here. I don't know if it is visible right here. So that is what we are going to repair very fast. We'll just rub a little bit somewhere there. Then we can just rub the other side to make sure we make it to become firm. Right there, it is clean. Okay, and we solder it. So I have my solder here. the gun already. That is it. This other side. Now we can just test and see if there's any connectivity. It is okay. That is it. It is okay. Now let us return our cell very fast and see if it is working. Here is our screen, and turn this on. See, it's working properly. So you can just try and do some little mathematics like 36 times the sine of 30 degrees and see if it will give us an answer. See, it is okay. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe to my channel.